goes. Get it, Simon. Get it, buddy. Come on. No squirrels yet. They haven't found the food. Come on. Come on, come on. Why do you guys do better when I'm sitting? Huh? Why are you more cooperative? Yeah, you too, Pally. Come on. Hamish. Come on. Hamish. Come. Come on. Oop, woodpeckers. Woodpeckers getting a meal. Oh, little red-capped woodpeckers. Ooh. And a pigeon. Look at that pigeon. There we go. Ooh, that's a boy. Ooh. Whoa. Pigeon's like the size of a chicken. And I would know. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Come on. Hey. No more Nature Channel. Come on, let's go. Hamish, come on. Get your ball. Come on, you fetched like 6 times. You got more in you. There you go. There you go. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Squeak it. Squeak it, Hamish. Wow. Uh-oh. Face off. Weirdo. Look at him trying to start. Oh, finally, he's grabbing a seed. Pigeon was like, whoa, dude. Aggressive. All right, buddy. What about you? Huh? What about you? There it goes. There it goes. Go get it. Ignore him. Simon. Simon, get your toy. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Go get it. Go get it. Get your toy. Get that toy. So funny. Now, come on. Come on, Simon. Get your toy. Simon.
Yeah,
snap out of it. Thank you. Thank you. We don't want to chase the pigeons before the squirrels get here. Right? All right, ham sandwich. Come on. Come on. You're laying there like a ham sandwich.
Looking regal.
Okay. Come on. Hey. Hamish.
Laying down.
Come on. Wow. The minimum. Is that what we're doing? Is that what we're doing? Is that what we're doing?
Mr. Fuss Boy.
Is that what we're doing? Minimums? Is it all minimums?
Yeah, who do you like better? Me? Oh, okay.
Not even a little.
Hit her with your tail. Good. You're filling out. He's filling out. He's looking good.
He is a good boy. Hamish, give me the ball. Come on. Give me that ball. Give me it. Yeah. Give me it. Good job. Good job. Yeah, right? Haha. Haha, no more pigeon. Whatever, look at him. He's up there on the roof. He don't care. He's gonna be back in a second. Oh, but not that one.